really good in my camera.
Wow, what a beast. All right, I'm gonna go run, get a phone shot, send it to Midland real quick.
Should have brought my tripod.
Hey Ross, it's turned out to be an alright day, bro.
Seriously.
It's emerging. Oh my god. What? That's otherworldly velocity right there.
Is there another one to the right, or is that all one thing?
I'm pretty sure it's all one tornado. If you're talking all the way to the right,
Yeah. Right by that scud.
yeah, I see what you're talking about,
to
but
the left of the scud.
I don't think that's another tornado. I don't
No,
think.
but I mean to the left of it.
I see what you're talking about, but I'm not sure. Unless it's all part of one big giant tornado.
It could be.
Because the rotating rain curtains are pretty crazy. I don't want to get El Reno'd.
We wouldn't be able to stand here if it was El Reno.
We are southeast of it and it's moving east. So
Yeah, I know.
we're good.
Oh man, look at those rotating rain curtains on the edge of it. The edge of the circulation is right there and it's freaking big. Look at that edge right there. Oh man, wow, this is like reminiscent of El Reno, it really is.
Yeah, this is a big, nasty tornado, and it's got a V-rod that will put it in the strong to violent range.
Yeah, and I can almost see like a carousel of subvortices in there. Look, I mean, it could just be a big multi-vortex tornado, but there might even be a couple satellites right on the edge here. It's tough to tell because it's so rain wrapped right now.